To validate the learner reference numbers of bulk encoded Grade 7 ESC grantees, select View List of ESC grantees in the navigation panel. Then select the current school year. To display the list of ESC grantees per grade level, click the plus sign. Click Validate LRN under the LRN of the grantee. The system will check if there is a match between the LRN and the name of the grantee. If there is a match, the system will indicate that the name is validated. Otherwise, use the Edit or Delete Grade 7 ESC Grantees feature of the system to input the correct LRN of the grantee. The system shall not allow ESC grantees whose LRNs are not validated to be included in a billing statement.